You know, other than a hammer or a screwdriver, this is probably the most popular tool on the face of the planet. And I bet you're probably using it wrong. What's up, everybody? My name's Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone. Now, this is an adjustable wrench. A lot of people call it a crescent wrench. Crescent is actually just the name brand. There's a million different people that make the adjustable wrench. And I guarantee that you have one either in your shop, your garage, your toolbox, or even in your junk drawer. But there's always a problem when it comes to these adjustable or crescent wrenches. All right, so how did we get to this point? Listen, even me, I run a tool channel. I didn't even know about this. Now, a lot of people are gonna say, well, you're a tool channel, you should have. I know 98% of everything in life. This happens to be 1% that I didn't. I'm a very smart person. But anyway, I did a video last week talking about how you're probably using vice grips wrong. And then a comment come over and the comment reads this right there. Yeah, I'm giving him a shout out right there. Now, when I read that there was a specific way to use a wrench or an adjustable wrench, a crescent wrench, I was sort of like, I think the dude, but he was right. Out of all these years, I've been using these wrenches completely wrong. Now, let me show you something. Anybody that uses these crescent wrenches or adjustable wrenches, I guarantee you ran into this problem where you're trying to open it or close it and it gets stuck. It's not going to work. No mo. This is as far as this thing will close and it is as far as this thing will open. And I always just assumed, well, it's a crappy wrench. But even on my other wrenches that I paid a lot of money for, you know, the upper ends, they do the exact same thing. After a while, they just stop working. And I know that you probably ran into that issue and you say to yourself, like I did, well, these wrenches are crap, but it's not the wrench's fault. It's ours. Now you see, usually when we use a wrench like this, we'll open this thing up and I don't use them all that much because I find that I strip my nuts off or round them off fairly easy using these things. That said, when I do need them, I mean, they come in very handy, but I'll put them on, I'll adjust them down where I need them to be. And whichever way I'm, basically handed, I'll go this way or I'll go this way or whatever. And that's where we're running into issues. That's how we're breaking these things. See, if you look at this wrench right here, you can see that you have a thicker area and then a smaller area. And then you have the actual mechanism that you turn that'll open and close this thing up. And out of the entire construction of this wrench, the weakest part is right there. I don't know how well you can see this right now, but you can see there's some teeth. Well, they're prone to damage. So this part right here is your adjustable jaw, and this is your fixed jaw, right there. Let me show you one more time. Adjustable jaw, fixed jaw. So how the hell we fix this? So if I want to tighten this bolt down, if I were to just grab this and put this on like so, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten this, and it's actually the wrong way. So if I'm tightening, what I'm doing is if I'm putting pressure down on here, this is starting to buckle down inside, push on those teeth, and then bust them up. That, my friends, that's not real nice. But if I were to take this and flip it over and actually use the jaw that's, well, the thickest part, I want to use that to pull this bolt right here. And when I use this part to pull, it does not jam this down into my adjustment screw. And it's the same thing with loosening as well. So now I would flip this around if I wanted to loosen this, and I would actually turn it this way, and this jaw that's attached, right? It's pulling it, doing the work, and now I'm not jamming this down into my screw right there. And again, you always want the thicker part, the meat of this wrench to pull. So if I'm tightening, I want to go this way. And if I'm loosening, I'm going to swing that around here. I'm going to go this way. And that way, this doesn't get all screwed up, jam those teeth, and screw up your screwing mechanism. It's real nice. You basically want to pull the bolt, not push the bolt. And another thing this would apply to is like your channel locks, your jaw clamps. Whatever wrench looks like this, same thing. If I'm clamping this, that little mechanism right there, well, you're going to put a lot more strain if I were to, push this in here and go like this. But instead, you put it in here, and if you want to tighten something down, you go this way. You want to pull, not push. That way, those forces are exerted down through the handle and not that right there. It's real nice. Now, I want to know, be honest with me. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Did you know this or did you not know this? And if it helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button. Now, if you want to learn the correct way of using vice grips that were made in the last 20 years, check out that video right there and share this video out. Listen, I'm going to tell you something right now. Between me and you, your friends don't like you that much. If you share this video out with them, they're gonna like you so much more. Get subscribed, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any cool videos. We'll be back with more videos soon.